Welcome to the first unit of the Creative Thinking, Initiative, and Self-Confidence for a Successful Online Business for Young Entrepreneur module, which aim to equip young people who are interested in exploring the characteristic of creative thinking to develop their own environmental business idea with the appropriate self-confidence in order to succeed. In this unit, you'll gain an introduction to creative thinking. To introduce this topic, this short video will highlight the importance of creative and analytical thinking in developing business ideas that have a positive environmental impact, and will also give an overview of what design thinking is. So, let's get started. According to LinkedIn, creativity is the second most in-demand skills in the world. Most of the time, the word creativity comes with the term innovation when we are talking about developing business ideas. According to Webster Dictionary, an idea means what exists in the mind as a representation or as a formulation. The economist Joseph Schumpeter perceived an entrepreneur as a person having the willingness and the ability to convert an idea or invention into a successful innovation. Those ideas which have a value to the investor, customer, and capable of generating revenue model for a business are business ideas. And how we can produce ideas? By simply being creative. Being creative means, according to Steve Jobs, just connecting things. It's about harnessing the power of the mind to conceive new idea, product plans, thought experiments, taste, sensation, or even art. It is the ability to solve problems with relevance and novelty. Thus, is creativity the same with innovation? No. Creativity and innovation are two related but separate notions. Creativity doesn't always run company invention and growth. Innovation does. However, innovation doesn't happen without creative people on board. Innovation is putting creative idea into action. It's about taking newly created idea and developing them into something useful and practical. Have you ever wondered where good ideas come from? A mix of critical and creative thinking is needed in order for green entrepreneurs to come up with business ideas that produce value for their company and the environment. And what do we mean with these terms? Critical thinking is about interpreting and assessing information and facts to understand a problem or topic thoroughly, while creative thinking is the process of looking at a problem or situation from a fresh perspective that suggests an orthodox solution. And these two ways of thinking are naturally combined when we're using the process of design thinking. Design thinking is not an exclusive property of designers. All great innovators in literature, art, music, science, engineering, and business have practiced it. So, why is it called design thinking? What's special about design thinking is that designers' work process can help us systematically extract, teach, learn, and apply these human-centered techniques to solve problems in a creative and innovative way in our design, in our businesses, in our countries, and in our lives. But why creativity is so crucial for entrepreneurs? Creativity leads to success by creating new ideas for competitive advantage. The whole process of entrepreneurship is rooted in the creation and exploration of new ideas. Creativity helps develop new ways of improving an existing product or service and optimizing a business. It helps to think the unthinkable. Creativity requires imagination to produce the most obscure ideas. Imagination is needed to cross the boundary of usual and normal or to think outside the box. And finally, creativity supports the process of finding similar patterns in different areas. Creativity enables people to connect dissimilar and unrelated subjects and make successful entrepreneurial ideas. Entrepreneurship could simply be the solution for the global warming and climate change problem of today's world. It brings the most innovative and exciting ideas to reality. However, it's a process that can be made more successful with creative thinking. If you want to develop your own green business ideas, think freely but focus on the major. Brainstorm, share ideas, solicit feedback, and evaluate your ideas. To learn more about this, please visit the additional resources and activities that we have prepared for this module to support your learning. Congratulations! Now it's time to start putting what you learned into practice and boost your creativity in order to develop innovative green business ideas that will make planet Earth a better place to live. And don't forget, to live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. By Joseph Chilton Pierce.